Hi, this Topical Talk's gonna show you how to show saved Facebook password on Android. So if you're trying to log into your Facebook account but currently you can't remember your Facebook account, don't worry. I will show you how to easily get your Facebook password if you saved your Facebook password before. Go to your phone settings and here scroll down, search for Google. Tap on Google. And here tap on Manage your Google account. And here you will find these security option. Just tap on that. And here scroll down and search for Password Manager. At the bottom, you will find Password Manager. Just tap on Manage Passwords. And as I said, if you saved your Facebook password before, here you will find Facebook. Just tap on that. Now verify your phone. And then here you will get your Facebook account login credential. Your Facebook account email or phone number, and here you will find your password. To view the password, you just tap on this little eye icon, and to copy your password, just tap on copy. Now you can easily use this password to sign into your Facebook account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.